my beautiful people. So welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Welcome to Glamidays Day 2. So a few months ago, I did passion twists on my hair, and my best friend, when she saw me on FaceTime, was like, I know you recorded this for YouTube. And I was like, no, I didn't. So I was like, I will when I do it the next time. Did not have my filming equipment because I was not at home, but luckily I had just got a new phone and the quality on this camera is amazing. So I wanted to show you guys how I did this. So I sectioned my hair out just like I do with my rubber band box braids, and I used Got To Be gel just to part off my sections. So I'm using 4 strands, and this hair is from Model. Model is called Water Wave or something like that. And I'm just taking 4 strands because my hair is so thick. Some people can do 2 depending on the thickness of your hair. That little 2 pieces that I start off with did, oh Lord, it looked a mess. Like my hair was so bunched, like so big and bulky at the top and then thin at the bottom. So I had to add more. The last time I did it, because I was doing them short, I just used 3 strands. I used about a pack and a half with the 3 strands, but this time I had more parts, and I also had also needed more hair because I did 4 strands instead of 3, just to closely match my texture with it. So I needed 3 packs. I also ran out of hair in the back. I had like probably 5 twists that did not get done until about a week later when I ordered some more hair. So that happened. And then I'm just going to show you guys up close how I twist this hair for any of my beginners. This is a very, in my opinion, very beginner friendly. If you're not good at gripping your hair, if you're not good at just braiding and stuff like that, and you just need to know how to do it, this is simple, guys. Look, you're going to twist the hair and then you're going to wrap it around each other, and that's what you're going to do all the way down. This is, in my opinion, very beginner friendly for people who can't grip. I'm terrible at gripping my hair tight on my own head. I cannot do it. So I often do like rubber band methods on my hair, just because I can get that rubber band as loose or as tight as I need it without it pulling and causing tension on my hair, but also holding it so that my hair isn't like half out my head while I'm doing these styles. Like I said, I ran out of hair when I was doing this. The bottom back section had about 5 twists that still needed to be done. So I just went around the edges and pulled my hair back into a low bun. It looked good. Nobody knew. I ended up like telling my sister, and she was like, I would have never known. Yeah, because it was covered. It was, y'all, I love this style. Like, this is really one of my favorites. But I think I'm going to go back to braids for a little bit, just because I miss my braids. It takes me longer to do. It's going to take me longer to do. But I think I want my braids back for the rest of the winter. So yeah, guys, this was that short little tutorial for you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell button, and like this video. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Until next time, peace out. Much love. And I'll see you guys later.